Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix unable to connect. Please try again later in WhatsApp. This kind of error occur when you try to log into your WhatsApp on a newer device and you put your number and this kind of error occurs. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close that. First of all, you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means you have to check whether your Wi-Fi is connected or not. If it is connected, you have to turn it on and off so that it can be restarted. Moreover, you can check mobile data connection. If you are connected to mobile data, you have to click on flight mode and turn it on and off so that your internet connection can also be restarted. After doing all the things, what you have to do is you have to open settings. In settings, you have to open apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, you have to scroll down and you have to search for WhatsApp. As you can see here, after clicking on WhatsApp, what you have to do is you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do is you have to check whether your mobile data has allowed background data usage or not. If it is turned off, then you have to turn on. If you have done all the things and the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to open the Play Store and you have to check whether your WhatsApp is updated or not. After opening Play Store, you have to search for WhatsApp and you have to check whether it is updated. As it is updated, because many problems are fixed by the updated version of the WhatsApp. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.